How to fix Microsoft Authenticator app not showing code. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, make sure your Microsoft Authenticator app is updated to its latest version. So open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Authenticator and make sure the app is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update the app further. The next fix is open settings and tap on the general option you see there and further tap on iPhone storage. Here navigate to Microsoft Authenticator or the any other Authenticator app and further tap on it and then tap on the offload app option you see there and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. See if that fixes your issue, and if not, then go ahead and go to your home screen and navigate to the Authenticator app. Tap hold on it and then tap on the remove app option and then tap on delete app and then tap on delete again. Delete the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will give the app a quick refresh. Also, make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection for the Authenticator app to work smoothly. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Authenticator app code not showing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.